Good morning, everybody. Well, we made it to Thursday of your first week of homeschool. I know yesterday that my video was hard for some of you to see, so we are going to try something a little bit different today, a little different format. Miss Brent helped me try to figure it out so that you would all be able to watch the video. First and foremost, I want to tell you all what a wonderful job that you are doing with all your homeschool assignments. I know it's hard at home without your teachers there to guide you, without your friends to help you, but you are all doing an absolute amazing job. Today, I am going to include a table for you that's going to help you organize your schoolwork at home. The table is going to look like this. And you can see that it has each day of the week on it. It has all of your subjects, and I already went in and I put in social studies for the week. Use this as a checklist to see if you have turned in all of your assignments that are due so far. On Monday, you guys had your introduction RDR activity and you had to watch CNN Student News. On Tuesday, you had your Mesopotamian RDR activity. Yesterday, you had Ancient Egypt. You also had to watch CNN Student News again. Today, you're going to get introduced to another new ancient civilization, and that ancient civilization is by the Indus River, and it's called Mohenjo-Daro. That one's going to be due tomorrow. And tomorrow, you'll get your very last ancient civilization, which is along the Huanghe or Yellow River, and that one that you'll be studying is the Shang Dynasty. You're also going to get one more CNN Student News tomorrow. Now, Friday's assignment is not going to be due until Monday, so you'll have a little bit of time to make sure you get all of those materials turned in. This checklist that I'm showing you here, this can be used for all of your subjects. So as you're getting all these Google Classroom announcements from all your teachers, start to fill in this table. I will send you guys a new one each week to help you organize yourselves a little bit better so you can see what assignments are due on which days. If you have any questions, make sure you're sending me. Google Classroom is probably the best way to communicate your questions. Send them to me through a private comment. I get those pretty quickly. You can also send me emails if Google Classroom, if I don't get back to you in time. Also, just to clarify, the PDF file that has been attached, that PDF file is for you guys to use as a reference. You do not need to complete that packet. The only ones who had to complete the packet were those who do not have internet access and they're not using Google Classroom. They will then complete the packet. You guys can use it because it has lots of great information in there for when you're completing your research on each ancient civilization. All right, once again, great job. I'll try to send you guys a little video message every day or every other day. Keep communicating with me your questions. You're doing a fantastic job, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.